Waking up in a field in the countryside may not be everyone's idea of a holiday, but thankfully our list of the best camping gadgets is here to make your outdoor expedition as comfortable as possible. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on the top 10 must-have camping gadgets for 2023. If you're a camping enthusiast or someone who loves spending time outdoors, this video is for you. We've scoured the internet and consulted with camping experts to bring you the latest and greatest in camping gear. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's dive in and see what gadgets are essential for your next outdoor adventure. Number 1. USB Rechargeable Lighter. A roaring campfire can make or break a camping holiday, so make sure your flame never dies out with this rechargeable lighter from Lucci. Rejecting traditional fuels like kerosene oil or butane gas, this is charged via USB instead to produce a spark, and is able to be lit between 150 to 200 times on a full battery. Especially waterproof, it should still work even when it's been totally submerged, which means you won't have to worry about dropping it in the lake or getting caught in the rain. The body of the lighter is also made from silicone rubber for extra durability, ideal for stuffing in your bag before your next trip away. Number 2. Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. The fear of running out of drinking water while out in the sticks can result in packing enough to fill a swimming pool, but this useful camping gadget is here to help. The GeoPress Water Purifier bottle protects from pesticides, chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics, as well as global waterborne pathogens including cholera, salmonella, and dysentery. This is down to the electroabsorptive media technology in the purifier cartridge that, according to Grail, catches the unwanted contaminants like a magnet. Just fill the outer bottle with water from your source, whether it's a lake or a suspicious-looking tap, and push the inner bottle, which has the replaceable cartridge attached at the bottom, down into the water. This pushing motion forces the dirty water through the purifier, where ion exchange binds bacteria and viruses, and the activated carbon soaks up any chemicals, odors, and flavors, so you're left with safe, drinkable water. Number 3. Jetboil Flash 2.0 Cooking System. It's all about speed with this camping gadget. The Jetboil Flash 2.0 boils 0.5 liters of water in 100 seconds, which is quicker than it takes to get a hot drink at most coffee shops. The vessel connects to a burner, which needs to be connected to a gas cartridge. The color-changing heat indicator on the side of the design lets you know exactly when the water is boiling. The bottom cover can be used as a bowl and measuring cup, which is a handy feature when your meal requires specific measurements. The fuel cartridges, self-sealing butane and propane mixed gas cartridges, are sold separately, so don't forget to pick those up. Otherwise, you'll have some pretty disappointed campers on your hands. Number 4. Powered Lucci Solar String Lights and Phone Charger. Apart from helping to create a pleasant atmosphere, these warm lights are ideal for using on the go, as they can be fully recharged via solar panel. For a quicker boost, there is the option to charge via USB. The lights last for 20 hours on a single charge, which is ideal if you're away camping for the weekend. The lights come with hanging clips, so if you want to decorate your tent and give it that homey touch, you can easily hang this camping gadget from above. And if the scene you create is so utterly magical you can't resist a picture, your phone will be ready to go, as the lights double as a charger. Number 5. Panga Submersible Backpack. The Panga Submersible Backpack is 100% waterproof. Thanks to the Hydro-Lock zipper, your goods remain dry, no matter the weather. The removable chest strap and waist belt provide extra security and stability if you're on a long trek. We like the simplicity of the bag's design, which makes it suitable for a variety of occasions. You can take it into the office and then head off for a spot of post-work spearfishing, or just walk home in the rain. Whatever you do, your stuff will be dry. Due to the thick skin shell, the bag is puncture and abrasion resistant, so you don't need to be too careful with this hardy number. Number 6. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus Complete Cook Kit. This camping gadget from BioLite takes us back to something you would use in a secondary school science lab. Burn some sticks in the fire chamber to start with. This charges a battery pack, which then can power a fan that gets your fire burning even hotter. This means you can boil some coffee, even pop a wee grill on the top, or even use the fire's energy to charge your phone. With this design, the smoke burns before it escapes the pit, which helps to create cleaner flames and happier campers. And if you want to see the many activities that are going on in front of you, there is a light attachment included. Number 7. Lightweight rechargeable headlamp with multi-beam. When it comes to camping gadgets, the head torch is easily forgotten but heavily missed. With 500 lumens and weighing only 79 grams, this is a powerful yet light option. The EcoCare headlamp comes with a rechargeable battery, which can be charged via micro USB port, and also works with 3 AAA batteries, so you won't find yourself stuck in the dark. There are 2 beam types, many white brightness levels, and also 3 lighting levels, so whatever you're up to, whether it's a romantic dinner in your tent, or a quick scan to check out that terrifying rustling noise in the distance, you'll find a suitable option. Rather than a front-heavy design, the battery pack sits at the back of the headlamp, so the weight is distributed more evenly, making it more comfortable to wear. Number 8. Nintendo Switch Lite. This is a winner if you've got bored kids who have had enough of nature, but also, let's not pretend you need children to own a Nintendo. The Switch Lite has been specifically designed for handheld play, so it's a great option for a campsite, downtime in the tent, and road trip entertainment. The console works with Nintendo Switch games that can be used in handheld mode, and it can be linked up to 8 Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch Lite systems for a multiplayer option. Number 9. Weber Go Anywhere Portable Charcoal Barbecue. With a name like Go Anywhere, it's no secret this trusty portable barbecue from Weber can be chucked in the car with ease due to its small size. Despite its diminutive design, the triple-plated cooking grate has a cooking area of 41 x 25 centimeters, so you can cook a reasonable amount of camping grub. The 2 rust-proof aluminum lid vents regulate airflow for successful barbecue cooking, so you can look forward to a tasty feast after a long day exploring the countryside. Number 10. Het Power Bank. It's easy to get carried away with your phone when you're camping. There's the music, maps, all of the pictures, and of course that all-important torch when you need the toilet in the middle of the night, so you don't want to lose battery. A power bank is an essential solution to this problem, and this sleek number from HETP allows you to charge 3 devices at once. The 18 watts power delivery allows you to fully charge your phone in an hour. It's fit for most popular USB-powered phones, including the iPhone 11 and Galaxy S9. The LED indicator displays a range of colors and lets you know how much power remains. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.